Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to share your current location on Telegram by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is always open the Telegram application first, and after that choose to whom that we want to share our locations to. And after that, after we open it, take a look on this bottom option, and there will be like this symbol of attachment. Click it and then we will be generated into some attachment option. If you can see here, there's a gallery, shift, file, location, and contacts. If you want to share a locations, click location. And after that, if there is no access of location in Telegram, just follow the instruction to go to settings and activate the locations here. And while always using app, and after that back into the Telegram. Okay, and now you already have an access to set your location into your friend. After you finish to decide which locations that you already set, just go into this and click send my current locations, and now your locations is already sent into your friend by Telegram. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find that this tutorial is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.